The construction industry, for all its grit and importance, is facing some tough challenges. It's a sector that has always been the backbone of our infrastructure, shaping the skylines of our cities and the roads we travel on. But today, it's at a crossroads. We're talking labor shortages, safety concerns, and the need to build faster and smarter. The demand for new buildings and infrastructure is higher than ever, yet the workforce is shrinking. This imbalance is creating a significant strain on the industry. Finding skilled workers is tough, and keeping them safe on job sites is a top priority. The nature of construction work is inherently risky, with heavy machinery, high elevations, and hazardous materials. Ensuring the safety of workers is not just a regulatory requirement, but a moral obligation. These challenges are real, and they're pushing the industry to find new solutions. Companies are investing in training programs to upskill their workforce and adopting new technologies to improve efficiency and safety. The good news? There's a game changer on the horizon: robotics. Robotics and automation are set to revolutionize the construction industry, offering solutions to some of its most pressing problems. Imagine a future where robots work alongside human crews, doing the heavy lifting, the dangerous tasks, and the repetitive jobs. This collaboration can significantly reduce the risk of injuries and increase productivity. This isn't science fiction, folks. It's happening now. Companies around the world are already integrating robotic technology into their operations, and the results are promising. And it's transforming the way we build the world around us. From skyscrapers to bridges, the integration of robotics is making construction faster, safer, and more efficient. The future of construction is not just about building structures, it's about building smarter and safer environments for everyone. Robots are tireless workers. They don't get tired or distracted, which means fewer accidents. In the construction industry, safety is paramount, and robots are stepping up to the challenge. They can tirelessly lift heavy materials, perform repetitive tasks with precision, and work around the clock without the need for breaks. This not only reduces the risk of human error, but also minimizes the chances of workplace injuries. Imagine a construction site where robots handle the most dangerous tasks, ensuring that human workers are kept out of harm's way. They can also work in conditions that would be dangerous for humans, like extreme heat or at dizzying heights. Construction sites often present hazardous environments, from scorching temperatures to high-altitude tasks. Robots, however, are built to withstand these challenges. They can operate in extreme heat without the risk of heat stroke, and they can perform tasks at great heights without the fear of falling. This capability opens up new possibilities for construction projects in challenging locations where human workers might be at risk. But it's not just about safety. The versatility of robots in construction is truly remarkable. They can be programmed to handle a wide range of tasks, from bricklaying to welding and even intricate assembly work. This adaptability means that robots can be deployed across various stages of a construction project, enhancing efficiency and productivity. By taking on repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, robots free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of construction. Robots can boost productivity too. In the fast-paced world of construction, time is money. Robots can work at a consistent pace without the need for breaks or rest, which significantly speeds up the construction process. For example, robotic bricklayers can lay bricks with incredible speed and precision, completing tasks in a fraction of the time it would take a human worker. This increased productivity translates to shorter project timelines and faster completion rates. They work faster and with more precision than traditional methods, which can speed up construction projects and get the job done ahead of schedule. Precision is another key advantage of using robots in construction. With advanced sensors and programming, robots can perform tasks with a level of accuracy that is difficult to achieve with manual labor. This precision ensures that construction projects are completed to the highest standards, reducing the need for costly rework and repairs. Additionally, robots can work in tandem with human workers, creating a collaborative environment where both can contribute their strengths. This means projects are completed on time and within budget, which is good news for everyone. The financial benefits of using robots in construction are significant. By reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency, robots help keep projects within budget. Moreover, the ability to complete projects on time means that developers and contractors can meet deadlines and avoid costly delays. In the end, the integration of robotics in construction not only enhances safety and productivity, but also delivers substantial economic advantages, making it a win-win situation for all stakeholders involved. So, what kind of robots are we talking about? The world of construction is evolving rapidly, and robots are at the forefront of this transformation. These high-tech machines are designed to handle a variety of tasks, making construction sites more efficient and safer. Let's dive into the different types of construction robots that are revolutionizing the industry. Well, there's a whole crew of them ready to work, each with its own specialized function. From autonomous vehicles to robotic arms and even drones, these robots are changing the way we build. They work together seamlessly, creating a more streamlined and productive construction process. Autonomous vehicles. These self-driving machines can move materials around sites, clear debris, and even prepare ground for construction. No driver required. Imagine a fleet of these vehicles working tirelessly day and night without the need for brakes. They can navigate complex construction sites with ease, thanks to advanced sensors and GPS technology. This not only speeds up the construction process, but also reduces the risk of accidents caused by human error. Robotic arms. Think of these as the heavy lifters. They can lay bricks, weld steel beams, and install drywall with incredible accuracy. These robotic arms are equipped with precision tools and can perform repetitive tasks with consistent quality. They are perfect for tasks that require a high degree of precision and can work in environments that might be hazardous for human workers. This not only improves the quality of the construction, but also ensures the safety of the workforce. 3D printers, yep, just like the ones making toys and gadgets, but on a much larger scale. These machines can print entire buildings layer by layer using concrete and other materials. Imagine designing a building on a computer and then watching it come to life as the 3D printer lays down each layer with precision. This technology allows for more complex and innovative architectural designs, reduces waste, and speeds up the construction process significantly. Drones. These flying robots aren't just for taking cool aerial photos. They inspect structures, survey sites, and even transport small materials. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can provide real-time data and high-quality images of the construction site. This helps in monitoring progress, identifying potential issues, and ensuring that everything is on track. They can access hard-to-reach areas, making inspections safer and more efficient. Each of these robots brings its own unique skills to the job site, making construction safer, faster, and more efficient. By automating repetitive and dangerous tasks, they free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of construction. The integration of these robots into construction sites is not just a glimpse into the future, it's happening now, and it's transforming the industry in ways we never thought possible. Section 5, Building Smarter, the role of AI, IoT, and BIM. In this section, we will explore how these groundbreaking technologies are revolutionizing the construction industry, making it more efficient, safer, and smarter. Robots are getting even smarter thanks to cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and building information modeling. These advancements are not just incremental, they are transformative, changing the very fabric of how construction projects are executed. AI gives robots the ability to learn from their experiences and make decisions on the fly. This means that robots can adapt to new challenges and optimize their performance in real time, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Imagine a robot that can identify a potential issue before it becomes a problem and take corrective action immediately. IoT connects everything on the construction site, from the robots to the materials, creating a seamless flow of information. Sensors and devices communicate with each other, providing real-time data that can be used to monitor progress, track resources, and ensure safety. This interconnectedness allows for a level of precision and control that was previously unimaginable. And BIM creates a digital twin of the entire project, allowing for better planning, coordination, and execution. With BIM, every detail of the construction process can be visualized and simulated before any physical work begins. This helps in identifying potential issues, optimizing workflows, and ensuring that all stakeholders are on the same page. Together, these technologies are creating a new era of smart construction, where robots and humans work together in a more connected and efficient way. The synergy between AI, IoT, and BIM is paving the way for a future where construction projects are completed faster, with higher quality, and at lower costs. This collaboration between humans and machines is not just a vision of the future, it is happening now, transforming the construction industry one project at a time. Here's another plus. Robots can make construction more environmentally friendly. They can work with sustainable materials more efficiently and minimize waste by using resources more precisely. The increased efficiency of robotic construction means less energy is used overall. Plus, with robots powered by electricity, we can start to move away from fossil fuels on job sites, reducing our carbon footprint even further. But that's not all. The environmental impact of robotics in construction extends beyond just energy efficiency and material usage. Robots can also help in the construction of green buildings, which are designed to reduce the overall impact on the environment. Green buildings often incorporate renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, which robots can install with precision and efficiency. This not only helps in reducing the carbon footprint, but also promotes the use of clean energy. Additionally, robots can be programmed to follow strict environmental guidelines, ensuring that construction practices are sustainable and eco-friendly. This includes reducing noise pollution, managing waste effectively, and even protecting local wildlife during construction. The use of robotics in construction also opens up new possibilities for recycling and reusing materials. Robots can be used to deconstruct buildings in a way that allows for the materials to be reused in new projects, further reducing waste and promoting sustainability. In summary, the integration of robotics in construction not only enhances efficiency and precision, but also significantly reduces the environmental impact. By using sustainable materials, minimizing waste, and promoting renewable energy, robots are paving the way for a greener future in the construction industry. As we continue to innovate and develop new robotic technologies, the potential for even greater environmental benefits in construction is immense. The future of construction is not just about building faster and smarter, but also about building greener and more sustainably. The environmental benefits of robotics in construction are vast and varied. From reducing energy consumption to promoting the use of renewable energy sources, robots are playing a crucial role in making construction more sustainable. Moreover, the precision and efficiency of robots mean that construction projects can be completed faster and with less waste, further contributing to environmental conservation. As we look to the future, the role of robotics in construction will only continue to grow. With advancements in technology, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will help us build a more sustainable world. What do you think about the future of robotics in construction? How do you see AI impacting the construction industry? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest developments in tech, robotics, and AI.